Welcome again in your English class. Today we are going to do an activity, and the activity is spin the wheel, which is related to articles. So let's do the activity. For this activity, what all I need is colors, glue, cutter, scissor, cardboard and color papers. First of all, what I did, on this piece of cardboard I have drawn a big circle here, and I have taken another cardboard. On that I have drawn a small circle here, right? So firstly we will cut that circles using the scissors. So I have cut this big circle and also I have cut a small circle. Now I will paste a color paper on this on both of these circle, and I have cut the color papers also in the circle shape. Now I will paste them on these circles which are made by the cardboard. Again I will paste the color paper on this small circle also, which I have already cut, and I will paste it on this. Now kids, I will draw some lines on this circle which will pass through the center of the circle using the scale. So let's draw some lines like this from one end to the other end. You can use the big scale to draw these lines. Now kids, you can see that I have drawn these number of lines, and now it is looking like a wheel if you see, है ना? Now on another circle also I will draw the lines, but I will divide it into only 3 parts, right? Here I have divided it into so many parts, but now on this second circle I will divide it into 3 parts only. So I'll take the center and I will draw 3 parts here, 3 lines here. Like this. You can see that 2 circles, and in different way I have made the lines on these circles. Now on the small circle, if you see that I have divided it into 3 parts, so here I will write all the 3 articles in each section. So first here I will write the article the. Next article and what's the other article? That is a. So we have 3 articles. I have written all these 3 articles on this circle, and in the bigger circle I will write some words. Like suppose I write the word sun. Suppose I say Ganga. Parrot. Now you have seen that I have written number of words on this wheel, on this circle cardboard. Now what I will do, I'll take another piece of cardboard. I will draw a block like this. Now I will cut this piece of cardboard from here. See, I have cut this cardboard like this, and now I will paste a color paper on this cardboard. And you can use any color. I am using the black color. You can use any of the color. And see that I have pasted like this already. Now I will cut this piece of paper, cardboard from the center. Before I cut this, what I will do, I will draw a line like this in the center using the pencil, because I have used the black color paper, so I need a pencil for that. I will cut the piece of cardboard like this. See, cut it from the lines which I have drawn there. See, I have cut this piece of cardboard like this. From the center I have cut the piece. Now I am going to join these two circles with this piece of cardboard. So in order to join that, I will use thumb pins. You can use some other thing to join that. So I will use the thumb pins. For what I will do, I will put the thumb pin from the back side. Be careful when you are going to join it. Take care of your hand. Right? I have joined it. So from the other side also I will put the thumb pin like this, and I will also join that also. It may not move from here. What I will do, I will cut the piece of eraser. I will put it over there so that it may not move. It may not lose its joint. Now from the other side also I will join it through the with the help of thumb pin, which I will put it from the back. You can see that. Yeah. So with the help of piece of eraser, I will place a piece of eraser here so that it may not move. Okay. So we have made this wheel, and see what we are going to do now. Now here on this side I have articles, and on this side I have number of words. So I will place these articles before these words. Suppose I have the word earth. With earth, which article I have to put? Let's rotate it and place the correct article before it. So it is the earth, as it is a special name. I will rotate this. Dolphin. With dolphin, which article I have to place? I will rotate this wheel and it will give me the correct answer. It is a dolphin, right? I will again rotate this wheel. Here is umbrella. With umbrella, which article I have to place? Let's rotate this and find out which article I need. With umbrella, as umbrella starts with the vowel sound U, it's a. So I have to place an umbrella. An umbrella is a correct answer. Suppose I'll take some other word. Rotate the wheel and you can place any word. Suppose it's a empty bucket. Empty bucket. With empty bucket, which article I need? An. So again I will place the an here only. So an empty bucket, as it begins with the a sound, a vowel sound. Okay, next word is Ramayana. Ramayana is a holy book of Hindus. So with Ramayana, it's a special name. So which article I have to place? Let's rotate the wheel and see. I have to place the Ramayana. I have to place the word the Ramayana like this. The Ramayana, as it's a special name. Let's see another word. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. With Statue of Liberty also we have to write the. Let's rotate again. Honest man. With honest man, What I need with honest man? Let's see. Is it A? A honest man? No. I have to write an honest man, right? So in the similar way, we will rotate our wheel and we will find that which article we have to place. So you can make your game like yourself, like this. You can make your own game and you can play with the articles. Suppose this is the word unicorn. Do we have to place an unicorn? No, we have to place a unicorn. Although it starts with U, but we will write a unicorn. Why? Because U is not giving the sound of vowel. It is giving the sound of consonant. So in this way, number of words are there on my wheel, and you can rotate your wheel, you can rotate your article, and you can play the game like that. Isn't it interesting? So it's a wonderful game. You can play with your friends, you can play with your siblings. So that was all in the activity. Thank you.